Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, Smart App Control can't turn on in Windows 11 easy fix. Open Registry Editor with administrative privileges. Change value data to 1. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.